Hello, I'm April Hamilton. I'm supervisor for the Chartwells Schools CHS.
And my name's Miss Tammy. I'm the resident dietitian for the CAPS district. Today, our head chef, Miss April, is going to make some fantastic fall vegetables. It's a medley for your family.
All right, let's start with our acorn squash. We clean and dice, peel. We also do our red onion sliced, our zucchini. We will spray a pan, lightly greased. You will combine all our vegetables together.
That is so colorful.
And next we'll add our spices to it. We have balsamic vinegar, black pepper, canola oil, and also ground oregano. We will slightly toss this together. Usually we just put it on the pan and drizzle over top, but I do like my vegetables coated. You allow this to sit for 30 minutes and marinate a little bit. And we're going to roast the vegetables. We set the oven for 400 degrees and we roast them for 15 to 20 minutes.
I cannot wait to try this. This is like all of my favorite vegetables. And I love red vegetables. Looks delicious.
Today's highlighted ingredient for our fall vegetable medley is acorn squash. Acorn squash is a winter squash with high nutrients and antioxidants, many health benefits, such as fiber. It's high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help with regular bowel movements, a healthy gut microbiome, and can increase satiety. Acorn squash has many vitamins, vitamin A, C, B1, and B6, which can help improve eye health, strengthen bones and blood vessels, and support the health of our heart and lungs. Acorn squash is high in antioxidants. Carotenoids fight against inflammation and prevent cell damage. Omega-3 fatty acids are very important for brain health, potassium, and helps control good blood pressure and creates our healthy heart. Acorn squash is great in many things, including our fall vegetable recipe.